Namaste and very good morning, all of you. And today we are going to have some understanding like about Swadharma and what can be your unique path and duty to take Swadharma. So let's start with positive vibes and Swadharma like derived from the Sanskrit word Swa means self and Dharma means prescribed duty. Means Swadharma derived from Sanskrit word same and Dharma holds deep significance in the pursuit of purposeful and fulfilling life. Hold deep significance in the pursuit of purposeful and fulfilling life. And it refers to the unique set of duties, responsibilities, and actions that are specific to an individual based on their inherent nature, talents, skills, and role in the society. So, means Swadharma is like something which holds deep significance in pursuit of purposeful and fulfilling life, and it refers to unique set of duties, responsibilities, and actions that are specific to an individual based on their inherent nature, talent, a skill, and roles in the society. While Dharma encompasses universal principle, Dharma encompasses universal principle and moral obligation, and that guide righteous living for all being. That guide righteous living for all being beings. Swadharma focus on individual's personal path. Swadharma focus on individual's personal path and and purpose within the larger framework of dharma. Means Swadharma means Swadharma which is inspired by self-driven duties, but 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 within the larger framework of dharma. Means Swadharma is a part of dharma, we can say. So it recognizes that each person has a distinct journey. Each person has a distinct distinct journey, and to undertake a unique contribution to make in the world. So it recognizes each person has a distinct journey and to undertake a unique contribution to make in the world through Swadharma. And in Bhagavad Gita as well, Lord Krishna emphasizes the importance of Swadharma and in guiding Arjun to fulfill his own prescribed duty as a warrior, even with its imperfection. If you are committing something mistakes and you are trying to fulfill your Swadharma, then still okay. Just keep going. Means what are the process of our action is going to be counted while discharging Swadharma, means self-driven duties in larger stake of Dharma, in larger framework of Dharma. So, like there is no freedom for those who escape their Swadharma. Writer has to say here, there is no freedom for those who escape their Swadharma. If we and you and everybody, means if we are not fulfilling our Swadharma, self-prescribed duty, then we cannot escape, we cannot get salvation in this world, at least. So by discharging your self-prescribed duty, you can get salvation through your sincere action. So there is no freedom for those who escape their swadharma, means their duties. You can't escape from your duties. You will have to fulfill your duties. If being a student, we are supposed to pursue our education in a very diligent, sincere, and decent manner. Wherever you are, at whatever post you are supposed to fulfill your swadharma, discharge your duties diligently and sincerely with conviction, faith, and determination. Means we cannot escape our swadharma. Jai Gurudev, and thank you very much.